What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about Uphold. Guys, Uphold is pretty interesting. It's a nice wallet and cool and easy to use. By the way, guys, if you guys are channel to the new, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Alright, what is Uphold? Is what? Let's do this. Alright, so Uphold is a pretty cool wallet. You can actually link your credit card, debit card, bank account. It's up to you what you want to do. I mean, there's several different options, so it's pretty easy to use. In fact, you can actually transact with other currencies and use it to swap for others. So it's like Uniswap, but there are no gas fees. So people love this. And again, it's not a decentralized exchange, so do keep that in mind. Not your keys, not your crypto, but it is pretty cool to use and easy to use. And yes, they do have a bonus going on as well where you can earn some Bitcoin. We'll talk about that later in the video. But a couple things I want to go over with is I want to show you how easy it is. So first, you can select, these are the basic attention tokens that I've actually earned from the Brave browsers. This was entirely free. I didn't pay anything for it. And basically what you can do is you can say, hey, I want to transact 25 Brave tokens into, let's say, the US dollar. So you can automatically swap it and sell it for the US dollar. So now I can take these US dollars and I can spend them on whatever I want. If you look on the old Uphold, this is the classic version. This is how you get to the classic, by the way. These three bars, switch to classic view. These cards, you can actually use them to buy stuff online, or you can use them to purchase at stores, etc. So it's pretty cool and easy to use. And when you have this option and you link your bank, you can automatically withdraw these funds to your bank as well. And you can learn about their pricing and so on if you guys want to learn about that. But that's a little bit about the features. Here's another cool thing I really like. So this allows you to set up and say, hey, look, I want to buy a daily transaction and I want to buy some Bitcoin every single day. Well, yeah, I can't buy Bitcoin with it because I don't have any Bitcoin in it. So let's do this. I want to buy Bitcoin there. So now this transaction is able to go through. So what I can do is I can say, hey, I'm going to repeat this every day. I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin every day. Or I can say weekly, or I can do monthly. And I can select when it starts and when it ends. So instead of just saying, yeah, from eternity, and sometimes I might forget about it, well, it could be a good thing depending on what type of coin you're buying. But not financial advice. And you guys can label each of them. That way when you go under your settings, you'll be able to see which transactions are being repeated. And if you label it correctly, then you could be like, oh yeah, that's me buying Bitcoin every week, whatever. Here's another thing I want to go over. These are the integrations. So you can select any of these integrations and you can actually earn money with these. So you can use, like for example, this one is, where is it? Not Brave Rewards. Yeah, Brave Rewards, you got to link it. But UBDI. So UBDI is pretty cool. So you can actually learn stuff, fill out surveys, do all kinds of garbage, and you can actually earn crypto for it. You can watch this video on how this works. It's pretty interesting and cool to use, but basically you get paid for your data. So unlike Facebook and Google, they actually quote unquote give you a free service and steal your data. This, you can actually use your data or provide your information, fill out surveys, etc., and get paid to do it. And here's like a couple links you guys can link up. You can do Fitbit, Strava, Spotify, Netflix, LinkedIn, Coinbase, whatever you guys want to use. Me personally, I wouldn't recommend doing a lot of stuff because I'm the type of guy that doesn't like to put all kinds of garbage out there. And that's the whole point of crypto, is privacy and decentralization. But it's still interesting how you can do like little surveys and all kinds of garbage. And no, that's not doo-doo. That's Drake on Digital. But yeah, you guys can check out the different settings. You can add me as a friend, I guess. But actually, if you enter this code, you'll both earn 20 cents after the referral is set up and Uphold is linked. So go ahead and link Uphold and 2 data sources, and you will get 20 cents. So I'm guessing that works like every time someone refers. So go ahead and give it a shot, give it a try, play around with it some. If you guys want 20 cents for free, add me as a friend or use this referral code. We could be buddies. But anyways, guys, that's like the UBDI section of the Uphold wallet. And there's a couple of other things you guys can play around with. Like, for example, Vcoin, the first coin of the metaverse. That's pretty interesting. I'm a big gamer, so I like different coins like Engine Coin, Mana, or Decentraland, Sand, which is basically like Roblox, Rev token. It's basically a token that represents like money for Formula One racing. So pretty cool stuff. But anyways, guys, that's Uphold Wallet in a nutshell. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I highly recommend you guys check it out. You'll actually get a BTC bonus by checking it out. Let me give you guys the referral link in the description below. Here's where you can earn $10 worth of Bitcoin, up to $200, so you can keep using referrals, etc. And basically all you got to do is start, sign up with a link, verify your account, deposit money via bank or a card, and trade at least $250 in crypto, and you automatically get a $10 bonus. Now what you could do is, all you got to do is deposit $250, buy a stable coin, and boom, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin. And then you have the stable coin. If you want to withdraw it to your bank, go for it. Withdraw it to your bank. You now have $10 worth of Bitcoin, and boom, done. $10 worth of Bitcoin, and the $250 is a stable coin, so you're out no money. Anyways, guys, that's a quick tip on the referral. And also, what I wanted to show you is this. So here's a couple of cryptocurrencies that they have. They got 0x, Aave, Balancer. So they got a couple pretty common ones that you guys can scroll through and take a look at them. And then they also have ones that are like equities. So if you don't know what equities are, you can actually trade stocks on Uphold. So now you can actually trade stocks, you can trade cryptocurrencies all in one. Pretty cool, easy to use. And yes, here are them stable coins. So you can have fun with the stable coins. And yes, you can buy metals too, guys. Definitely super bullish on silver, especially right now. And you can also buy some other currencies. So if you're like, I want to buy some euros, you can buy some euros here. So have some fun with it, guys. Try the Uphold, get some free Bitcoin. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you guys can sign up with Uphold, get a free Bitcoin. In fact, if you guys are using the Brave browser, this is a good way to get paid out in BAT tokens. This is how I get paid out. So give it a shot, give it a try, have fun. See you in the next one, guys. And of course, guys, Wisdom One-Liner, Proverbs chapter 30, verses 11. There are those who curse their fathers and do not bless their mothers. Those who are pure in their own eyes, and yet are not cleansed of their filth. Those whose eyes are ever so haughty, whose glances are so disdainful. Those whose teeth are swords, and those whose jaws are set with knives, to devour the poor from the earth, and the needy from among mankind. The leech has 2 daughters, give, they cry. So guys, this is something interesting to keep in mind. Don't be the leech. Be the one who gives, don't be the one who takes. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.